you and wash your hands. That is always the best plan. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please are kind words to say, you'll see. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter. All of them you have to master. Be respectful all the time. Wait your turn and be